Singular matrix. Singular matrix is a subtopic under matrices in Form 3, a topic of interest that we are going to consider in this lesson. Now, when a singular matrix is mentioned, there are a few details that one must have about singular matrix. So under solution, I want us to have this information. Anytime a singular matrix is mentioned, we need to know that the determinant for this matrix is in fact 0. And that is why this matrix, it has no inverse. That is why it does not have an inverse. I am very sure now we understand what is before us. Is a matrix without an inverse, and the determinant is always 0. Is always 0. Now, we want to work out the value for x, and in this case we must find the determinant for this matrix. Like I said, we are going to equate the determinant to 0. Now, the determinant we find by getting the product of the values in the leading diagonal. We subtract the values in the secondary diagonal. So the determinant is going to be, we have got 5x, we multiply by 3x minus 2, then we subtract 2, we subtract 2 minus, this should be a negative, 2 minus 3x, we multiply by 6 minus 2x. So this is what we have. Then we have this, and then we have this. We equate this one to 0. Let us open the bracket. So this is 15x squared minus 10x. Then we have minus, this is 12. Then this is 12. Then we have got, we are going to deal with the negative later. Let us deal with the two brackets. Then we have minus 4x. Then we have minus 18x. Then we have plus 6x. Then this one is equals to 0, is equals to 0. So 15x squared minus 10x, then minus, open the bracket. Let us put like terms together in this bracket. So we have 12 minus 22x, then plus 6x. This one is equals to 0. Now let us use the negative. We have 15x squared minus 10x minus 12. This is plus 22x. Then we have minus, now 6x is equals to 0. Put like terms together again. So we have 15x squared. Then we had a square somewhere. This is supposed to be, in fact, 6x squared here, squared. Then minus 6x squared. And then we have got minus 10x plus 22x is equals to, then minus 12 is equals to 0. This is 9x squared, and then plus 12x. Then we have minus 12 is equals to 0. Minus 12 is equals to 0. We can go ahead and use the quadratic formula to help us find the values for x. So we say that a is equals to 9, b is equals to 12, then c is equals to negative 12. formula says minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. We divide by 2a. 2a, this is a. We divide by 2a. This is a. 2a. Now let us substitute what we have in this formula. Negative b, this one is in fact negative 12 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is now 144, minus 4 into 9 times negative 12. Negative 12. I'm very sure you divide by 9 times 2. When you do this, you'll get, when you do this, you get negative 12 plus or minus the square root of, this is 576 over, we divide by, over 18. We have negative 12 plus or minus, now this is 24, the square root of 576. We divide what we have by 18. I'm very sure when you work out everything in the right way, you'll end up getting x as 2 over 3, or you get x as negative 2. Thank you so much. If you are new, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting video. Thank you so much for watching, and continue subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much, and